Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss about our subject economics. In this, we are going to discuss utility analysis. What is utility? Utility means a want satisfaction capacity of a commodity, where utility is derived by some persons or commodity has a utility. For example, pen has a utility for writing, book has a utility for reading, like that various commodities nearby us has various utilities, but these utilities are having certain features, etc. We are going to see later on. First of all, utility definition of utility is: utility means a want satisfaction capacity of a commodity. Now see, there are certain features. First feature is relative concept. First is relative concept. Relative concept. Utility is relative with time and place. For example, woolen clothes has a utility in north area of India, whereas it has no utility in southern area. Next, now example of place utility. Here we have seen. Now time utility. Time means similarly umbrellas we are required in rainy seasons. Woolen clothes we required in winter season. So this is known as time utility. Time changes, our utility changes. Next is subjective concept. Second, subjective concept. Now another feature of utility is a subjective concept. It is differ from person to person, or like suppose a person A likes to eat mangoes, whereas person B may not like it. So habits and your likes dislikes can be the your utility, for example. So that's why utility is subjective concept. Next is ethically neutral. Next point is third, ethically neutral. Basically, let's take example of knife. Knife has a utility for vegetable cutting, but if a person want to damage anybody by that knife, it is it a utility is there in knife, but it is not ethical. So utility is ethically neutral. Next point is utility is differ from person to person. Utility is usefulness. Fourth point is utility is differ from person to person. For example, usefulness, utilities differ from person to person. For example, one more feature of utility is not same as usefulness. Utility may be not related with usefulness. For example, smoking is not useful, but uh, what smokers has a utility, smokers finds utility in that cigarette. Next is utility is not from differ from pleasure. Fifth is utility differs from pleasure. It is not necessary That utility is the thing that it gives pleasure to you. For example, injection has a utility for the ill person, but it is not providing any happiness or a pleasure to that particular person. Next is utility differs from satisfaction. Utility differs from satisfaction. Utility differs from the satisfaction. Like for the thirsty people, water, a glass of water has a different satisfaction level, whereas one who has no that much thirst, means basically hungry person has a food. If he got a food, then he will satisfy more as comparatively one who already have his food. Next is types of utility. First is here, types of utility. Types of utility. First is form utility. Form utility. In this, wood is wood has no utility, but when we convert that wood into a furniture, then this has a utility. Basically, utility can be changed with the form. Like we can take example of cotton. Cotton has no any utility, but when cotton is converted into cloth, we have utility in the cloth. So form changes can be generate utility. Next is place utility. Next is place utility. For example, we already taken that woolen clothes has a utility in a certain place. If woolen clothes are provided in South India, or where the environment is not that much cool, so woolen clothes are not important or not has no utility. Basically, place utility is depend on this concept. Place has certain utilities. Next is service utility. Service utility. Here, service utility means doctors, teachers, engineers are providing their services are useful for uh, society. It has usefulness or utility in their service. Next is knowledge utility. Fourth is knowledge utility. Knowledge knowledge utility. Here, if a person is educated, then book has utility for him. If person is illiterate, then book has no utility for that particular person. Where uh, educated person has utility in pen, but uneducated person has no utility in pen. So knowledge of using that particular commodity is very important here. So knowledge utility is there. Next is fifth is possession utility. Possession utility. Possession utility means we are able to consume or use that product or commodity when we possess it. For example, bike. Suppose I have my friend of I have bike from my friend. So possession is with me. So I am able to use that bike, or I have utility of that bike, that is known as possession utility. Next is time utility. Next point is time utility. Time utility means some commodities have utility in time. For example, if suppose there is an accident case and the person or patient need bloods, then the blood is a utility, but it has a time utility, because on a time if blood is not getting by that patient, that can create various problems. So time utility is, you can we can consider example of blood. Here we finished with types of utility, and now there is a concept of utility is known as divided into two parts, that is total utility and marginal utility. Total utility and marginal utility. Here total utility means a total uh, commodities consumed by a person can be said as a total utility. Let's take example. If a person consumes 5 mangoes, if a person consumes 5 mangoes, eat 5 mangoes, then the total utility derived by that 5 mangoes can be calculated. Now next is marginal utility. Marginal utility means additional utility derived by additional unit of a commodity. Means here we can say it as, if suppose the person consumes 5 mangoes, and here we consider as a first mango he consumed, and second mango he consumed, and third. So additional unit of first, second, third is known as marginal utility. We can see this by a diagram. Here I am going to share you my screen. On this you can see this difference. Here relationship between total utility and marginal utility is shown in the table. Unit of x, let's see, units consumed by a person, and total utility derived by a person, and marginal utility derived by a person. Let's see, with the first unit of a commodity, total utility is 10, whereas marginal utility also 10, because with the first unit of a commodity, total utility and marginal utility are same. Next, by the second unit, when the person consumes second unit, your total utility goes to 18, whereas marginal utility goes to 8 points. Basically we know with the second unit your marginal utility goes on decreasing. So marginal utility will be 8 and total utility will be 10 plus 8 is 18. With the third unit of a commodity, marginal utility goes on 6 points, whereas total utility goes on 24, that is 18 plus 6. Means here total utility, we are adding all marginal utilities, is known as total utility. With the fifth unit, the total utility goes on 30, whereas marginal utility is 2. And with the sixth unit of a commodity, marginal utility is 0 and the total utility remains 30 with the sixth unit. And to the adding more one unit of a commodity, it goes on negative. Marginal utility is going on negative point, whereas it is -2. So total utility decreases from 30 to 28. As diagram is shown in the on your screen, there is a x-axis having units of commodity, and y-axis has total marginal utility. Here we can see with the first unit of a commodity, marginal utility is decreasing from 10 to 8, and again it is continuously decreasing up to -2, whereas our total utility is increasing from 10, 18, 24, 28, 30, and now again with the sixth unit of a commodity it is remain constant. with the 30 points, and then it is going decreasing by 2 points, that is 28. So this is all about relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Now I am again coming back. Here I can show you a relationship between total utility and marginal utility. You can see on your screens that table is provided and diagram is there. Here we can very easily understand that relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Additional unit of a commodity is decreasing marginal utility and increasing total utility. This diagram shows us that on x-axis there is units of commodity, and on y-axis there is a total marginal utility. So these utilities decreasing downward in marginal utility, and total utility is increasing at a certain level. And after the sixth unit, it is on a zero position, whereas total utility is at 30th position. Okay, I'm coming back. Our next point is we are going to discuss is diminishing marginal utility. Here, diminishing marginal utility means what? Here, it is clearly stated that total utility is increasing and marginal utility is decreasing. Here, it is known as not only marginal utility, but is known as diminishing marginal utility. It means with the every additional unit of a commodity, our utility is going to be decreased, and it is known as diminishing marginal utility. We can see by this diagram here. I can show you diagram. This is law of diminishing marginal utility. Means with the additional unit of a commodity, your marginal utility going on decreasing. Like with the first unit of a commodity, marginal utility is 10 points, whereas with the addition of one more unit, that is second unit, marginal utility is going on decreasing from 10 point to 8 number. Next is with the third unit of a commodity, it is going on again decreasing from 8 to 6, and again with the fourth unit it is going to 4, and again unit number fifth consumed by a person, utility goes to 2 points. Next, with the sixth unit of a commodity, marginal utility is 0. And later on with the seventh unit of a commodity, marginal utility decreases to -2. Here in the diagram, we can say this, a curve is downward to the x-axis from point 10 to -2. It is about the diminishing marginal utility. Here, coming back to the session here, I would like to explain all this with in the Marathi, because of some of our students are there in Marathi medium. परत आपण पाहू युटिलिटी. युटिलिटी म्हणजे गरज. युटिलिटी म्हणजे एखाद्या वस्तूमध्ये वॉन्ट सॅटिस्फॅक्शन जी किंवा एखाद्याची गरज भागवण्याची जी क्षमता असते त्याला आपण म्हणतो युटिलिटी. पेन हा गरज भागवू शकतो लिहिण्याकरता, पुस्तक गरज भागवू शकते वाचण्याकरता. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आपल्याला जर भूक लागली असेल तर आपण जेवण आपल्याला पाहिजे, भूक लागली म्हणजे आपल्याला जेवण पाहिजे. जर एखादा आपल्याला कपडे देत असेल किंवा आणखी काही देत असेल ते आपल्यासाठी गरजेचं नाहीये. आपली युटिलिटी किंवा आपली गरज ही जेवण आहे. म्हणजेच वी फाइंड युटिलिटी इन फूड. म्हणजे भूक लागली असेल तर जेवण गरजेचं आहे. तसंच त्याला म्हणतात गरज भागवण्याची जी क्षमता आहे वस्तूमध्ये, त्याला युटिलिटी असं म्हणतात. नेक्स्ट इज त्याच्यामध्ये काही फीचर्स आहेत. पहिला फीचर रिलेटिव्ह कन्सेप्ट. रिलेटिव्ह कन्सेप्ट म्हणजे युटिलिटी वस्तू आणि वस्तूमध्ये जी असते ती टाइम आणि प्लेस याच्याबरोबर रिलेटेड आहे. म्हणजे गरम कपडे, थंडीच्या दिवसात आपण जे कपडे वापरतो ते थंडीच्या दिवसांमध्येच वापरतो, म्हणजे ही झाली टाइम युटिलिटी. उन्हाळ्यामध्ये आपण हे कपडे वापरत नाही. तसंच प्लेस आपण एक्झाम्पल घ्यायला गेलो तर उत्तर भारतामध्ये थंड वातावरण असतं, त्यामुळे तिथे ते कपडे जास्त प्रमाणात लागतात. दक्षिण भारतात याच प्रमाणात हे कपडे कमी प्रमाणात वापरले जातात. नेक्स्ट आहे इथिकली न्यूट्रल. इथिकली न्यूट्रल म्हणजे काय, की युटिलिटी आहे, समजा चाकू किंवा सुरा आपण ज्याला म्हणतो, ते आपण किचनमध्ये वापरतो भाज्या कट करण्यासाठी, पण त्याच वेळेस त्या सुऱ्याचा वापर करून, त्या चाकूचा वापर करून कोणीतरी एखाद्याचा खून करू शकतं. इथिकली खून करणं हा गुन्हा आहे, पण त्या वस्तूमध्ये, त्या चाकूमध्ये त्याला ती युटिलिटी सापडत आहे. दॅट इज इथिकली आपली युटिलिटी ही न्यूट्रल असते. नेक्स्ट इज युटिलिटी डिफर फ्रॉम पर्सन फ्रॉम युजफुलनेस. युजफुलनेस आणि युटिलिटी ह्या दोन वेगळ्या गोष्टी असू शकतात. युटिलिटी एखाद्या सिगरेट पिणाऱ्या व्यक्तीसाठी सिगरेटमध्ये युटिलिटी आहे, पण ती त्याच्यासाठी गरजेची नाही. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की सिगरेट पिणं हा आरोग्यास धोकादायक आहे, पण तरी त्याच्यामध्ये त्याला युटिलिटी असते. नेक्स्ट इज युटिलिटीचा टाईप आहे प्लेजर. युटिलिटीज डिफर फ्रॉम प्लेजर म्हणजे आनंद देणारी नसते. युटिलिटी ही प्रत्येक वेळेस आनंद देणारी नसू शकते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इंजेक्शन घेताना कोणीही आनंदाने इंजेक्शन घेत नाही, पण त्या इंजेक्शन मध्ये युटिलिटी आहे. नेक्स्ट इज युटिलिटी डिफर्स फ्रॉम सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. युटिलिटी ही सॅटिस्फॅक्शन वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे देऊ शकते. म्हणजे खूप तहानलेल्या माणसासाठी एक ग्लास पाणी हे जास्त समाधान देऊ शकतं. वेळेस जो घरात बसून यायचंय 2 तासानंतर पाणी पितोय त्याला, आणि खूप बाहेर फिरून आलेला आहे, उन्हातून तानातनं आलेला आहे, त्याच्यासाठी एक ग्लास ऑफ वॉटर हा खूप जास्त समाधान देऊ शकतो. तर इथं युटिलिटी कॅन बी डिफर फ्रॉम सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. इथं आपण आज थांबूयात. पुन्हा आपण भेटणार आहोत. तोपर्यंत थँक्यू.